Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Wichita Falls, and today we're going for a drive in the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This vehicle has a 3.6 liter V6 with 293 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, I believe, and it has an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your nice center screen over here with built-in navigation. You have a lot of apps in here, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. Pretty nice leather wrapped steering wheel with wood trim. You have a full digital gauge cluster as well. Reverse camera. And you have a panoramic sunroof. Pretty nice leather touches in here in this Limited. But let's walk around this car. Looks pretty good. Price of $47,810. Here's a wood trim in the back. Limited badge. Good trunk space as well. Let's get this car out on the road and see how it drives. Has a nice sounding engine. And the transmission feels pretty smooth. I like that. Yeah, it feels nice. I really like the way these new Grand Cherokees drive, to be honest. Like in general, they feel good. Like these newer Jeeps. I had when I went to Pittsburgh a few months ago, I had one as a rental, the hybrid, and it was nice and it had some great features. Heated steering wheel. It drove well in all weather conditions, drove it in snow and everything like that, which was pretty good. And it was nice. Like, I'm really impressed with, like, I really like this new generation of the Grand Cherokee. It's quite impressive, right? You like, the build quality is really good. The way it drives and feels is good. Like, I really like the steering wheel, and the seats feel really, really comfortable in this car. The driving experience is good, and it feels nice and smooth. Visibility is great, and you have good tech. You have a very easy to use screen. Like the newer screens in these Chrysler products, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram products, are actually pretty good. Yeah, great driving experience. I really like this. The V6 has a nice strong sound to it. Sounds rumbly. Good responsiveness. And I like this little Jeep logo. It's like has a little square and says Jeep inside. And the shape of the steering wheel is quite nice too. Looks cool, looks attractive. Really, really like that. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Grand Cherokee Limited.